This is brand new, first time you hear it. I have a huge heart for teachers because I like to give. It's called Roofs for Teachers. You're gonna see this logo a lot, Roofs for Teachers. My dream ever since I was a teenager always been to become a teacher. But teachers, and one of the reasons I didn't become a teacher, went to university, graduated college, but teachers in every country in the world, every country, I mean, maybe some Sweden and some European and small countries, it's not the case, but most countries don't treat teachers well. Teachers are underpaid, underappreciated, and I have a big heart for teachers. In my family, my sisters went to colleges. My younger sister, Anne, she's teaching arts right now in school in Russia. And my other teacher teaches English somewhere in Moscow. My brother in a school, he's my youngest, he's 21. He's in university right now. He working on his master's, become a teacher of German language and English language. So we are the teachers by choice. In my region, 80% of economy always been oil, gas, and most of my classmates went either in oil industry, become engineers and stuff, or became doctors or lawyers. I'm the only guy who went and decided to become a teacher. So I have a huge heart for teachers because I like to give, but I know and I hear so many stories about the teachers, how little they make. Unless you work for a big university, you're pretty much making pennies, right? We want to do something about it, and right now Roofing Insights, immediately starting today, we can put roofs probably on about 10 teachers. Like I did some math, we can do 10 roofs. So that's going to be a start. So we are starting our own movement. It's called, again, Roofs for Teachers. You're going to see it on our website. We're going to put our own money in it. But we're also gonna get, I'm pretty sure, sponsors. We always have people, like good guys in this industry, big brands who wants to donate either shingles, who wants to donate, different stuff. As a matter of fact, JF and me, we did in 2015, we donated a roof here in Minneapolis under Storm Group. There's a program, No Roof Left Behind. I think winner was a veteran of Vietnam War. 91-year-old man, and she was 92. They're passed now, passed away. We just talked to their daughter a couple of weeks ago. Amazing couple. We gave away a roof for them. So manufacturers like donations, like charities. We like it too. But I wanted to have my own charity for something that I can relate. And to be honest with you, if a teacher makes $30,000, $40,000 a year, I don't know how they can afford $15,000, $20,000 roof. So it's a big ticket. So at Roofing Insights, through Roofing Insights directory, we're gonna start honoring those teachers. Pretty much, we're gonna start doing at least one free roof every month, and it's a nationwide program. Pretty much, if you know any teachers, I don't care if it's one of your client or if you're watching, if you're the homeowner, you can nominate a teacher who needs a roof. And if that teacher, if you tell us a teacher, who deserves a roof or deserves help, or maybe just tell us a story how we can help a teacher, just submit a form, send us a message, just put in the subject line, Roofs for Teachers. And we're going to announce, we're writing blogs and press release right now. But we're going to make it pretty big deal. All we need is a story, and story of that teacher and why they can't afford the roof, I guess. And we'll vote on it and reach out to them and pretty much do good things. So we're gonna give a lot of roofs in this year and next year. We want it to be very good and positive thing, and we want to give opportunity to those roofers in our community at our directory, to help us with it. So we're gonna do it nationwide. So if we hear a good story in Dallas, Texas, we'll just pick a teacher, pick a contractor who's going to do the work, will pay for everything, and that's how it's going to roll. So if you guys who are already in directory want to participate, just reach out to us, say, hey, I want to help too. And the more people who want to be on it, the more roofs we can donate to teachers. I love the cause. Like I said, I always wanted to be a teacher. Teachers are underpaid. It's not the case with me. As a matter of fact, I was talking to my sister the other day and I said, do you realize that, I'm a teacher now. I'm living my dream. I finally do what I want to do, and I have more students. I'm teaching more students now than my teacher in Russia when we went the same university. So times have changed. You guys, a lot of you are my students. I absolutely appreciate opportunity. Roofing Insights will not be getting paid one penny from it. As a matter of fact, we'll be paying a lot of it to those teachers, and those acts of kindness makes me personally truly happy. I talked to my team. We're all excited about it. If you guys want to be part of it, join us. We're also going to be printing those stickers, so you can put it on your window and window decals and be part of that as well. So it's going to be strictly part of Roofing Insights directory, and we're going to do a lot of things back. Every time someone subscribes to our channel, one leak somewhere stops. Let's stop all the leaks.